Introduction to components. Test operation, preparation for a set cement sample. Disassemble the sedimentation tube. Lubricate a thin layer of grease on the inner wall of the tube and the connection part, and then assemble them. Pour the prepared cement slurry into the tube to distance from the slurry surface to the top of the tube reaches 0.20 mm, and then stir the slurry with a glass rod to eliminate the bubble inside. After that, fill the tube up with slurry, mount the end cap of the tube and cure it in the water bath. Take out the set cement after curing.